All right, my name is Richard Geier. I'm here at Thornwood High School Auto Shop, and I am doing the Week 7 Calla lesson plan, and we're going over cooling systems still. I've been designing every single lesson for cooling systems. So this one, students will be able to identify the cooling system parts and be able to compare and contrast each of those parts as well as their problem symptoms. So each part has different symptoms, which will help you identify whether it's bad or if it's in good working condition. Students will be able to compare and contrast different cooling system problems and symptoms orally using the words radiator, antifreeze, hose, water pump, head gasket, overflow tank, and using the words different, both, same, least, more, less when they're comparing those different parts. The cognitive strategy, students are going to be using the internet resources to find various cooling system parts at AutoZone.com. The vocabulary strategy, the students will be practicing using their vocabulary words in pairs and orally saying them back and forth to each other. The social effective strategy is the students will be cooperating by working together to pressure test an automotive cooling system. And the metacognitive strategy is students will use organizational planning to create the steps necessary to drain and fill a cooling system. They'll need safety glasses, their textbook, cooling system pressure tester, water, antifreeze, and a vehicle from the shop. Before the lesson, we're going to start with a small pretest. The pretest is identifying the different cooling system parts, and I have them there. And part of the identifying was they'll have to say their name and their function orally with their partners. Students will be given a copy of the cooling system layout on a piece of paper while I explain the various parts on the smartboard and label the diagram with their functions. Students will be in pairs and they will have to use the cooling system pressure tester. Afterwards, students will complete a self-assessment about what they did in their small groups. They'll be required to answer what part of the lab they helped with. Let's see. And then at the end, teachers will ask students to orally describe their findings after performing the cooling system pressure test. And finally, after completion of the whole lesson, the post-assessment will be given to all students. Thank you.